Shri Gurubhyo Namaha children, welcome to our online teaching academy Ekalaiva. Today we are going to discuss in chapter triangles exercise 6.2. 6.2 question number 9. ABCD is a trapezium in which AB parallel to DC and its diagonal intersect each other at the point O. Show that AO by BO equal to CO by OD. First, they said trapezium. So, I drew the trapezium here, A, B, C, D, right? Given A, B, C, D is a trapezium. Trapezium means a pair of opposite sides are parallel. So, AB parallel to CD or DC, both are same, right? Construction. OE parallel to AB, right? OE parallel to AB. Then I am going to take a triangle ABD. In triangle ABD, OE parallel to AB. When you see the word parallel, what it comes to your mind? Immediately you should recall the theorem Thales, right? What he says, in a triangle, a line drawn parallel to one side of a triangle, it intersects other two sides. It intersects other two sides in distinct point. Then the other two sides are divided in the same ratio. I am going to use Thales theorem here. By BPT, the line is parallel, so you are going to write the ratios are equal. Write AE by ED, AE by ED equal to BO by OD, BO by OD. This is equation number 1. See here, already it is given as AB parallel to CD. What we did here, OE parallel to AB. Now you should combine this OE parallel to AB, AB parallel to CD, right? OE parallel to AB, AB parallel to CD. Now you can combine these two, right? Which implies OE parallel to CD. OE parallel to CD. Now again you are going to take a triangle ACD. In triangle ACD, OE parallel to CD. Again you are going to apply Thales theorem by BPT or Thales. By BPT, what is your conclusion here? AO by OC equal to AE by ED. AE by ED equal to OA by or AO by. Better you have to write AO by CO. Right? AO by CO. This is your equation number 2. From 1 and 2. From 1 and 2. What is your solution now? When you left hand sides are equal, so automatically the right side become equal. AO by CO equal to BO by DO or OD. Both are same, you don't confuse yourself, right? Now, but what is our result? AO by BO equal to CO by OD, right? Just you are going to interchange, that's it. AO by BO equal to, here the numerator will move to the denominator, the left hand side denominator will move to the numerator, that's it. CO by DO. Hence, proved. Hence, proved. What they are asking us to prove, that we proved, right? First we took ABCD is a trapezium, AB parallel to CD. We construct OE parallel to AB. We construct OE parallel to AB. When the line is parallel to one side of a triangle, it intersects other two sides in distinct point. Then the other two sides are divided in the same ratio. That concept we use, and we wrote AE by ED equal to BO by OD. Then OE parallel to AB, that is our construction. AB parallel to CD, that is given. When you combine these two, what can you get? OE parallel to CD. Once if you said a line is parallel, you can apply tails in the triangle ACD. Then what is your result? AE by ED equal to AO by CO. That is equation number 2. Then you combine these two, you will get it as AO by CO equal to BO by DO. You have to interchange. The right hand side numerator will come to the denominator. The left hand side denominator will move to the numerator, means what they are asking us to prove, that we can prove. Got it, children? Now, question number 10. The diagonals of a quadrilateral ABCD intersect each other at the point O such that AO by BO equal to CO by DO. Right? Here we want to prove ABCD is a trapezium. How can you say ABCD is a trapezium? If a pair of opposite sides are parallel, we can conclude it is a trapezium. That we are going to prove. Right? Now you see, construction OE parallel to AB, right? Given the diagonals intersect each other at the point O. One more thing, it is given as AO by BO equal to CO by DO. AO such that AO by BO equal to CO by DO. Now I am going to interchange here. You see, AO by CO equal to BO by DO. Right? Now you see, this is my equation number 1. Now you see here, in triangle ABD, OE parallel to AB construction, right? We drew OE parallel to AB. A line parallel to one side of a triangle, immediately you should recall the BPT theorem, right? By BPT, what can you get? You see, AE by ED equal to BO by DO. AE by ED equal to BO by DO. Got it, children? Now, this is our result. Then, this is our equation number 2. Substitute equation 2 in 1. Substitute equation 2 in 1. Then you see, the right hand sides are equal. Right hand sides are equal means what is the result? AE by ED equal to AO by what? CO. AO by CO. Here OE parallel to AB. This is our construction. Okay. Now you see AE by ED equal to AO by CO means come to the triangle ACD. When can you, if the ratios are here equal, that means converse of BPT you are going to use. A line divides any two sides of a triangle in the same ratio, then the line is parallel to the third side, right? By converse of BPT, you can conclude that OE parallel to CD. OE parallel to CD. Now you see OE parallel to AB is our construction. OE parallel to CD we arrived the result. Combine these two. See here, I put it inside the box. You have to combine these two. OE parallel to AB, OE parallel to CD. That means OE parallel to AB, OE parallel to CD. What you can get at the end? AB parallel to CD. AB parallel to CD. This is our construction. This one as we proved. When you combine these two, you get it as AB parallel to CD. A pair of opposite sides are parallel. That quadrilateral we call it as trapezium, right? Therefore, a pair of opposite sides are parallel. A pair of opposite sides are parallel, then the quadrilateral is a trapezium. Therefore, ABCD is a trapezium. They are asking us to prove ABCD is a trapezium, that we proved at the end. Got it, children? To receive our online lesson, please press the subscribe button and you will receive the latest updates. Thank you, children.